Hey y'all, happy new year. Welcome to my channel at Rika Adorn. Today I'm going to show y'all how I do a blowout. Now this is not for the week. All the hair products I'm using is going to be linked in the description box below. This is actually my third attempt doing a blow dry within the last year or two. So I'm just going to share all the tips and tricks that I have, and you'll see all the mistakes that I made in this tutorial as well, just to give you some pointers on some mistakes that you could probably make doing this for the first time. So the first thing that I'm going to do is section my hair as much as I can. The smaller the sections, the better. I do use 2 heat protectors, a Chi hair protector all over, and every time I'm working on each section, I use this Dream Wow heat protector and make sure I distribute the product with a Demon brush. I use this roller brush here. I will put this specific one in the description box. Same with the Babybliss Pro Blowdryer. I think one of the hardest thing is just getting the technique of holding the blow dryer and the roller brush in a comfortable position and trying to not put too much hair in one section. Like as you can see here, this was too big of a section. If you get in a lot of tension while you're blow drying your hair, or the hair is just getting like wrapped up on the handle of the roller, then it's a sign that you probably should split that section in half and do a smaller section. So you'll see me do that as I'm getting the hang of it. I'm starting to realize what's the best approach on how to get the sleekest blow dry effect to my hair. Another tip I have is having the nozzle like be in the same alignment as the roller brush, if that makes sense. See how the nozzle is like, I guess you could say, parallel to the roller brush. I feel like that's kind of important to make sure you're distributing the heat equally throughout the roller brush. As my hair starts to dry throughout the process, I do go back and wet my hair with a spray bottle, and of course every section I'm applying that second heat protector just to really help prevent any type of heat damage. Like I said, y'all, this is definitely not for the weak. You definitely need a lot of arm strength. Your arms will be tired. Halfway through this, I really was telling myself, why did I put myself through this? I was definitely getting overstimulated, getting hot, wearing a long sleeve shirt and everything, but it's definitely worth it. The results are worth it at the end, and you know, practice makes perfect. So and here you'll see me take, once again, too big of a section, and what I ended up doing was splitting that section in half and just doing one section at a time. It just makes the roller brush glide through the hair much easier when you feel too much tension. Another technique I caught myself doing was, once I got the ends pretty sleek, I would take the hair out of the roller brush, wrap it just to get the roots, and then blow dry it again. That just helps like the ends not overlaying the rest of the hair and kind of makes the tension part a little easier for my hair to glide through. So I ended up putting some curl bond oil, which I'll also link in the description box. And this was pretty late at night, so to set my hair, just kind of the same way as if I was to flat iron my hair and I like to wrap my hair, just sets it for the next day. I just decided to do a quick little flexi rod set, just 4 rods. I did 2 regular flexi rods in the front, and then I did like the satin silk flexi rods in the back. And here are the results. It's definitely giving soft girl era. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.